Hello, today we are working with operators in our Kotlin. So the first operator is the additional operator. Additional operator. The sign is same as in mathematics, that is the addition plus symbol. Now let us declare two variables, a and a variable b. Now let us add these both variables. So the first variable has the value 10 and the second variable has the value 20. Now let us add these both variables. So the variable c will store the value of a and b. So let us just add a plus b. Now what is happening is variable a has the value 20, sorry 10, variable b has the value 20. Now when we assign c value is equals to a plus b, this is called assignment operator. This is called assignment operator. So what will happen is 10 plus 20. The c value will get 10 plus 20. So let us print this. What will be the output? The output will be 30. Yes, you can see 30. Not only this, you can perform addition operator right over here. It remains the same. Now let us just print a. What will be the output? The output will be 30. You can see a is equals to 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20. This will be added. So the output is 20. The 20 will be stored in a and then we print a. That is 30. Now let us move to our second operator, that is minus. Okay, so let us just print this. 10 minus 20. 10 minus 20 will be minus 10. So it is printed. Okay, now let us just perform an operation. Let var a be 10 and let variable b is equals to 5. Now let us do variable a minus b. Variable a minus variable b. 10 minus 5. What will be the output? 5. So we have learned the basics, plus and minus. Now let us work with our multiplication. So multiplication is not denoted by x over here, that is a cross mark. Instead we use this symbol. This is called as asterisk symbol. Now let us just print the output. You can see 50. 10 into 5, 50. So you can perform the same over here just by adding a asterisk and 5. Let us just print a. What will be the output? The output will be 50, as a is equals to 10 and this is asterisk or the multiply symbol. 10 into 5 is 50. The variable a is assigned with 50 and we just print the value of a, that is 50. Now let us perform division over here. Let us perform division. Division is very simple. We just remove this and we use a slash. Now just run the code and you can see 10 divided by 5 is equals to 2. Yes, this is accurate. Now let us take another example. Variable a is equals to 10 and variable b is equals to 5. Now let us perform the same operation we performed before. A divided by b. The output will be 2. So what it does? Variable a stores 10, variable b stores 5. A divided by b, and this is a division symbol. Okay, this is a division symbol. So we have learned plus, minus, multiply and also divide. Now there are two more operators which are very important and constantly used. Okay, so let us remove this and let us just print a. What is the value of a? 10. Now let us just increment a. What will happen? The output will still remain same, but what will happen if I add two plus symbols at the beginning. Now you will notice some difference. Okay, why 11 is printed? You can see this is called as pre-increment. Pre-increment in the sense, first we add plus 1 to the number. Okay, for example, the variable a has value 10. Plus a stands for a is equals to a plus 1. So a plus 1. So a is equals to a plus 1. That means a is equals to 10. I mean a is equals to 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So the value of a will be 11. Okay. So this pre-increment is very simple. It just adds the value by 1. Okay. Now in a++, what will happen is first the a value will be printed, then the operation a is equals to a plus 1. A is equals to a plus 1 is performed. That means when we print, we get the value of a first, later it will be incremented by 1. If I add another statement and just print the value of a, you will get the output as 10 and 11. Okay, now what is happening? The first thing that happens is first we print this a plus plus. A plus plus stands for a is equals to a plus 1. That is a is equals to a plus 1. Now the value of a will be printed first. Value of a will be printed first, that is 10. Then it will be incremented by 1. This is the equation. Now the a value is incremented by 1, that is 11. Now if you print the a again, the value remains the same, as the increment operator increases the value by 1 only once. Okay, you can see 11 11 11. I forgot to add ln, that's why it is in such a format. Now the two things that I told you was the pre-increment and the post-increment. Okay, so the pre-increment stands for double plus at the beginning, whereas the post-increment stands for double plus at the ending. If you add double plus at the beginning, it will stand for pre-increment, which will increment the number first, That means when you print the value is already changed. The 10 will be changed to 11. But the post increment thing is, it will first it will run the value of a, that is 10, then it will increment the value. This is all the difference. Now let us learn about decrement operator. Let us print a minus minus. Nothing happens. Let us just print it below. Print a. What you can see? 10 minus 1, that is 9. The first thing is it prints the value of a, then it decrements. So the second value will be 9. The first value will be 10 as it is. Now let us add it as starting of the let us add it as starting. Now what will happen? Now it will be 9 and 9. Okay, that means it has first decremented the value, that is equals to a is equals to a minus 1. This will be the equation. So this is called as decrement operator. This is very important and we will be learning it again and again, so you will not forget. So don't worry if you don't understand it now, you will understand it later on again. So this is all about operators. There are many other operators, but these are the important things which we require in Android development. For now, just learn them and try to use them. You will not understand them just by watching the video. You need to go through all of this. You need to practice this 5 to 10 times. Okay.